How to call on Messenger. Here's how. First, tap the Messenger app on your screen. Once inside, open any chat you wish to call or tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the person you want to call. When their name appears, click on it to open the chat. Now look at the top right corner of the chat screen. You will see a phone icon and a video camera icon. Now if you want a voice call, tap the phone icon, or if you want a video call, select the video icon to start a face-to-face chat. Furthermore, Messenger will now start calling your friend. Just wait for them to pick up. While on a call, you can turn your camera on or off with the camera icon. Mute yourself with the mic button. Additionally, you can also use effect by tapping on the filter icon. Lastly, click the red phone button to end the call. And that's it. Now you know how to make calls on Messenger.